You know, the reason why I don't have to teach everything, bless you, it's because I'm passing this knowledge to you. So that once you capture it, you pass it well to others. But if I pass it to you and you distort it, then you pass the wrong information to the next generation. I can't be the one teaching all the time. You have to take over some of these things. I have to do other things. Okay? Now, we have done the small cylinder. This is the actual cone that we need. It's called truncated. It's a truncated cone. It's cut. I'm painting so that you can see what it is. Then this is the cylinder. Okay? We have done this. We have got the top view of it. Now we need this, just this part here. We drop all these lines, as I said, as they have been drawn. You drop them straight down. That one straight down. This one straight down. This one straight down. And this one straight down. After you do that, if we start following these lines at an angle, we will make a mistake. Why? Because they are going to cause it coming to the center. So what we do is, we come to, this is each center. Draw horizontal lines to the center. Okay? It's for you to take measurements. So I'll take, like for this one, for the center one, because it's outside, it's the distance from there to there, it's there. Then, when we come to this one, because it's a round cone, so the distance from there to there, when you follow it, you come, you mark, you come, you mark. It's this distance here. You mark from there to there, from there to there. Because this center line here, it marks like a plane, just like this plane, but it's in the middle. But because it's round, so it's a symmetrical thing we're talking about. So when we measure from there to there, it's on the plane. It's as good as measuring from there to there. Then we come and measure from there to there. Okay? So what do you think would happen? Because this is going upwards. If it was straight like this, it was going to grow wider. But because it is going upwards, it's going from big to smaller. So we come from there to there. We come, you mark, you mark. This was your starting point. Then we are in the middle here. How do we mark the middle point? These were supposed to go that way. Because this is the true edge. The middle point, so this goes there, a bit wider, these ones. Okay. The middle point, you measure from there to there. You come here, you mark. It's the widest, you come here, you mark. But because it's a bit on top, it's a bit smaller as well. Then you come from there to there. From there to there. This is the true edge this side. This is the point. It will be on the line. This one will be straight on the line. Yeah, here. Then this one you measure from there to there. You come, mark there, mark there. This one is a bit short also. Now, just to go around again, we are taking measurement from the true edge to wherever the point is. So what we do is we measure that one. That one is on the point, on the true edge. You can see it's on the point. Ne? So when you project it down, it's right on the point. This one you measure from the true edge to there. You follow this point, you mark on top, and you mark below. It's symmetrical. Then from the true edge, you measure from there to there. You follow it down, you mark there, and you mark below. Then you come, this is a bit wider than the rest. You follow this line, you mark on top, and you mark below. Then after that, we have these ones. This is the true edge also of the cone. Cone is like this. When you go around it, that widest part becomes shorter in the middle. You know that, né? A cone. It's wide, it's like this. When you turn it, that other side comes wider, then the one that was wider, since you turned it, becomes shorter. So we use the true edge. So you measure from there to there, you follow this line, mark there, and mark below. Then you measure that one also, you follow you mark there, and this is on the point. It's right on the point. After that, draw using free hand this profile. Okay, so this is the profile, how this is gonna look when you look from the top view. Then of course, the full circle is not affected. What you need, guys, is to get the concept, because they come in different concepts. They can change the concept. What is important is to get the idea, how do I approach it? Then this side, I'll leave it as construction, because our interest is this and this. Are we together? That is interpenetration. It's the marks on its own in the exam. Just on interpenetration is marks on its own. And this, if it comes, is 25 marks, minimum is 20. Okay? Any question? Okay, if there's no question, I'll explain now on the development, but I need to extract this like it was already done, and we are only interested in the what? In the what? Development. Yeah, this is interpenetration. Mostly, this is the part. This one is the interpenetration. Only this. But when they give you a question, they want you to get the top view, and they want you to get the interpenetration, and you must show the work. Only this is interpenetration. Development is another question, extension of it. But when you are doing work for the client, it's everything together. So you are in that group, ne? You can take that photo and send to the group.